In the Visual Basic Programming, today topic is working with custom control. In the Visual Basic 6.0, the various types of the custom controls are provided. Why it is called the custom? In the custom control, the changes are made as per their requirement, as per their use. The various types of the changes it is possible in the custom control. The first control is image list control. Image list means the image, various types of the images, one to many images you can put in the and you can store in the image list control. The image list control does not actually appear on the form at the runtime. It serves as a container form that accessed by the other controls such as tree view, list view, toolbar control. The image list control can store all the image that appear on the toolbar control button. The process of this inserting the image list control. First procedure is image list control is contains collection of the images that can be used by other Windows command control. It cannot be appear on the form at the runtime. The procedure is click on the start menu, then select all program and go to the Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. Then open the Microsoft Standard EXE. Then open the form. Then click on the project and click on the menu bar. Select the component from the drop down list and select the toolbox. Scroll down the list on the box. Microsoft Windows Command Control 6.0 is visible. Click on the check boxes selected the component that click on the all the components show in the toolbox, and in the toolbox is also available in the left side of the Visual Basic form, and select the image list control from the list of the controls in the toolbox and place the control on the form of the Visual Basic. And the toolbox is not available in the left side of the Visual Basic ID. Then you select select the open and then click on the project menu, project, and click on the project menu bar. Then select the component from the drop down menu, scroll down the list of the box, and Microsoft Windows Command Control 6.0 is where is available. Go to the project menu and click on the components, and on the drop down list available Microsoft Windows Command Control 6.0 is visible. Click on the checkbox to select the component and then click on the OK. All components show in the toolbox, and the toolbox is also show in the Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0 ID. Choose this control from the list control in the toolbox. Place the control on the form to Visual Basic to add the images to the image list control. One by one images is added in the image list control. Right click on the image control on pop-up menu is open. Choose the properties option and the property page is open. Click on the image tab and insert the image as you want to insert. To insert more than one picture, then click on the picture button, and one by one there is images is added. One by one click on the image tab button, click on the insert picture button, click on the browse button and select the picture that you pick. Then your picture will be added in the image list control. Next control is second is tool bar control. Toolbar control. The toolbar control is a collection of buttons used to perform a particular function. It gives a graphical interface to the user. It consists picture or text on a button, picture set by image property or text by the caption property. The toolbar contain you can object the toolbar at design time or at the run time. Toolbar contain a button which perform a particular function. They are generally used. It saves the time as respect to the menu option. To create a toolbar performing following process, put the toolbar control from the project toolbox. Toolbox is available on the left side of the Visual Basic ID. Select the toolbar control and the right click on it. Select the property option from the menu. It display the property dialog box. In the general tab, the property window, select the image list and select the button in property window. Click on this insert button and index of the button will be set. Index of the button is set to be 0, 1 to the first button, second button. Set the key of this button and in the image list box write down the index of the image to be displayed on the toolbar. In this way toolbar control is available. How to show the toolbar control? In this way, the form, this is the form of Visual Basic. Here is form 1, this is the form 1 and here the toolbar control. Here is take the one text box control. Text box control is also available in the toolbox and here is buttons is available. Give to button bold, italic and underline. Give to the name bold, italic and underline. Again I repeat how to create the toolbar performing the which types of the steps you have performed. Firstly, take the toolbar control on the form of the project toolbox. In this way, take and select the toolbar control and right click in. Select the property option. Property option is available on the right side of the Visual Basic ID. ID means Integrated Development Environment. It display the property dialogs in the general tab property window. Select the image tab. Select the button tab in the property window. Button tab of toolbar control. Select the button tab of toolbar control. Select the button tab in the property window. Click on the insert button and index of the. Click on the insert button. Select the button tab in the property window of toolbar control and click on this button is button 1, 2, 3. 3 button and give to button name bold, italic and underline BIU. Click on this insert and give the index and in the image give to the also images also button image list box. Write down the index of the image to be displayed on the toolbar in this way and write the code for the show the when you write any letter in the text box then and click on the bold, there the text is bold, italic and underline. How to write the code for the to perform the operation of the bold, italic and change their font. Firstly, if text 1 dot font bold equal to true, then text 1 dot font bold equal to false, else text 1 dot font bold equal to true and then end it, otherwise is true, otherwise is false. If text 1 dot font bold equal to true then button dot value equal to the place otherwise else button dot value equal to the unpressed end if end select and end sub. If text1 dot font1 font bold equal to their value is true, then text1 dot font bold its value is false, then it go to the else part, and text1 dot font bold equal to true, then first condition is true, then it go to the false, true, then it go to the else part, the text1 dot font bold equal to true, then if text1 dot font bold is true, then button value equal to the press, and otherwise the button value is unpressed. Firstly it change the text value is bold, otherwise it go to the second button value is converted into the italic, and then it's converted into the underline, bold, italic, and their change their value, it is underline. In this way the toolbar control which perform their operation. Next control is image combo box control. Next control is image combo control. Image combo control. Image combo control can display the simultaneously data and picture from the image list control. It's perform the various types of the steps. How to create the image combo control? Go to the start and go to the Visual Basic and select the Visual Basic 6.0 and click on the standard exe and start the new project. From the component dialog box, add the Microsoft Common Control 6.0. Common Control 6.0. Now add to the form and image list, image compo, image control, and the label control. Now add the form, image list, image combo, and the image control and the label control. Initially you have add the images in the image list control. In the last control you learn the image list control. In the image list control already images are added, so open this property page dialog by the right clicking on the image list one and click on the property option. From their menu, from the general tab, select the custom option and select the height and width of the control. This properly arrange it. Open the images tab and add the images. Here 4 images are added in the image combo control. In the image control, in the image list control, already images are added. In the image combo control, you have added the 4 images, and open the image tab and add the images. You have added the 4 images. After inserting the images, close their property pages and select the image combo one. Change their text property as their picture, and now by right clicking on the image control, click on their property option and invoke their property page dialog. From the image list, select the image list if you are required to change their font also, font color also, and also their other their tabs also color, their chair picture tabs is also their change their property color name also change your. After setting the option of the property page, clicking on the apply, then OK and close the dialog. Change the caption property of the label 1. Label 1 their caption property is also changed, and select the picture from the list if the their font size is also changed. After font size of the label 1 name, label 1 caption property, give the label, select the picture from the list, select and in the select the picture from the list, and there set their name also, and set their set their font also, label caption. After this finishing the finishing, then you add the code, you have add the images in the image combo control, and you have give to the code for the private sub on the private sub on the form load event, private sub form load event, set image combo 1 dot image list equal to image list 1 the picture as combo item, set the picture, save the picture, set the picture image combo 1. In the image combo 1 there are you have added the 4 images, image combo 1 dot combo atom dot add their properties, and sequence is 1 image name and on the 1 position. Same way set the picture equal to image combo 1 combo atom dot add, second is dog 2 and 1 2 and 1. Same way on the third image is also added, and on the fourth image here is end sub on the private sub image combo 1 click if image combo 1 dot selected atom dot index equal to 1, then image 1 dot picture equal to load picture, and give their path C my document, my picture, and their name camel.bmp end if and end sub. In this way, private sub formula set the image combo 1 and their image list equal to image list 1. Dim picture as an combo item, dim picture as an combo item. Set the picture of the image combo item is add and they give the 1, the image name and the sequences is 1 1 1. Set the picture is set the another image combo 1 combo item dot add and is on the second position and the image is image name and the 2 2 and the on the second atom is in the second atom second images is you have added private sub on write the code on the image combo 1 click event if image combo 1 dot selected atom index equal to 1 their index is equal to 1 then image 1 picture equal to load the picture where in the found this in the C drive this picture is loaded when you selected the atom 1 why this image picture 1 their index is 1 the second image is in this way right when you select the image on the combo box in this way this image is shown in their picture box in this way image combo box control is used for the showing the image and the image related various operations is also performed. Next control is list view control. Next control is list view control. List view control is used to display the result, display all the record in a database table, display an expanded view of an tree view control. The list view control display and data as a list atom object. Each list atom object can have an optional icon associated with label of this object. This control excels and representing subset of an data and discrete the object. Following are the possible use of the list view control to display the result of query on a database, to display all the record in a database table. In this, the tree view control to give the user an expanded view of tree view control. Use the list view control can display the atom of the 4 different items. First is small icon, large icon, list and reports. It displays data as a list atom object and each entry in the list view control is referred as a list atom object. The list control can display the atom. First is small icon, large icon, list and their reports. List view control used to display the result, display all the records in a database table and display all the expanded view in a tree view control. Any of the list is shown in a list view control. List view control display data as a list atom object. Each list atom object can have an optional icon associated with the label of the object. Next is status bar control. Status bar control. Status bar control. The status bar control is used to display the current status of the application under the execution. In Microsoft Word, the status bar display the current page number in which the user is currently working as well as the total number of pages in the document. The steps to create the various types of the steps is used for the status bar control. Place the status bar on the form. Status bar is available in the toolbox. Click on the toolbar and select the status bar control and place on the form. Right click on this control. Select the option property from the menu display. Select the panels tab. Panel tab is available in the status bar control. Click on the insert panel button to create the new panel. Each time of the new panel is created, an index of the panel is incremented by one panel. Second, advantages and uses of the status bar control. Used to display the current status of the application under the execution, can be used to display the coordinated of the operation, can be used to display whether the keys like caps lock and num lock keys are on and off, can be used to display the number of the node in a tree view control, can be used to display the current system time. In this way, the status bar is used to display the current status of the application under the execution. The status bar show in this way. This is form 1. Use of status bar control. Status bar control is show their panel. In the first panel, show the date, and second panel is show their time. Third panel is show the Visual Basic. In this way, the status bar is used. The status bar is show on the status of the executing application. The status bar is show the current status of the application under the execution. The Microsoft Word, in the Microsoft Word, status bar display the current page number in which user is currently working, as well as total number of pages in the document. This status of the Microsoft Word file show in this way the Visual Basic, the date, time, and the Visual Basic which application is show. It is show in the status bar control. Today close your session. Thank you.